Hi everybody, I wanted to create a really special invitation to an event that we have coming up. It's called the Advanced Practice Member Lecture or Workshop, because you'll actually be doing some work. There's a very special group of people that we have a part of this practice that have been around at least 3 to 6 months. And once you reach that stage in your care, we can start to have a different conversation with you about your health future. So as you can see kind of from behind us, part of our mission is to help you consciously create your health future. So this event is specifically designed for you at this time in your care. So please make sure that you do what you can to attend this class. Those that do get a lot better results, and they generate the quality of life that they're really looking for in their life. So please make sure you attend, schedule, move some things around if you can. We will really look forward to seeing you there. One of our favorite classes to do.